Haley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's so exciting. We're heading on and we're going thrift shopping. You know that it's my absolute favorite hobby. And basically, I just wanted to take you guys along with me. We're at the Salvation Army Thrift Store today. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go look for some of my favorite summer trends that are really popular in malls right now. And we're gonna see if we could like kind of thrift them and find them here on my own. There's a couple things on my list that I'm looking for, but I'm really excited to share it all. You know that one of my tips is that you always want to dress comfortably, and that's what I follow. So I'm just wearing this little t-shirt that I got from H&M for like $5. I knotted it at the front, and then I have this little skirt from H&M as well. It has pockets so I can put my phone inside, which is awesome. For my shoes, I'm just wearing these little slide-ons. Let's go on and go ahead in. So what I actually love about Salvation Army thrift stores is that they tend to actually organize everything by color, which I love. It's so much easier to kind of go through everything and find everything very easily. So if there's a specific color you guys are into, for example, I'm really loving yellow right now, I would definitely go on ahead and go into the yellow section right away. You guys know something else that I really love is heading on into the men's section, because there's amazing pants in the men's section, especially in size 26, which is my size. Has an amazing fit. They're all like very mom style, so if you're really into that, go to the men's section. I always say that. So cargos are really in right now, and I just found such an epic pair. I really hope that these fit because they look like they're high-waisted too, which is perfect. And if you're looking for any like dressy type pants but you don't want to like spend too much, they always have really great options in the men's section as well. Another way to take advantage of the men's section is to shop the men's shirts, and dad shoes, and pretty much everything dad is really popular now for some reason. If you're looking for really nice simple striped long sleeve shirts, these are amazing, and I really like the style of wearing them off the shoulder as well. Certain neutral colors like this one, it's pretty cool. It goes with everything, and they have lots of like really nice soft flannels here too. And right away, what I love, if you guys are not into like any of the dark colors, you can just skip this entire section and head on into colors that you prefer. My obsession with yellow continues. This looks like it could be styled pretty cool actually. Let's try it out. Score, guys, Adidas in small. And there's actually these ones right behind it, which are pretty cool too. They have that striped going down the side, which is pretty on trend right now. And I think they could be worn high-waisted, so I actually want to try these out too. Also, something that you guys definitely should not pass up is every time I'm in the thrift store, you can always see like random racks of clothing, I guess, of things that people tried on and maybe didn't like. What's great about them is that most of the time if someone wants to try it on, it meant that it more or less had a cool quality, which is very true. So I always tend to look at these racks as well. And right away, I like this. Oh, this is like a cute athletic top. Let's try that out. And oh, and you can always find Levi's in places like this too. What size is this? Oh, 34. It's a little bit big, but there's definitely lots of options for Levi's around here as well. Very cool ones. Denim jacket. If that was my size, I'd probably get it. I would usually say you could check all the sizes because sometimes things can be mixed and matched. Small ones can be inside the large areas. Something else that I see is usually really popular is purses. I love checking them out here because they're so unique and vintage looking and different. And I'm specifically looking for straw bags because that's really on trend right now, but there's a lot of cute mini purses that we're gonna look into here. If you're looking for like nice white bags, they usually have really great options. And again, I love the fact that they always color code everything. This is like the first ever backpack to come out. Oh my god. I'm not into black as much. What? Oh, I found a straw bag. This one is so cute. This is like a really cute Guess satchel bag. So now that it's summertime, you guys know that tank tops and like little spaghetti straps are really in as well. And the best part, today they're also 50% off. So you can look for like little halter tops depending on the colors of what you like. I tend to go for like brighter colors because it's the summertime, might as well take advantage of it. I also love coming to the men's jeans. That's nothing new, you guys already know that. But what I really love for the summertime is that you guys can find amazing jeans that would fit very high-waisted. For some reason, when it comes to men's jeans, whenever I try them on, they just tend to be very, very high-waisted, as you can see. So what I do with these is I probably would just crop them and like turn them into shorts and maybe distress them a little bit. And if you really know what you're doing when it comes to sewing, you can turn them into skirts as well, but I'm not that good. I'll ask my mom to do it. Skirts is for sure something that I love to wear because you guys can see it's so easy to just throw on an outfit. It's actually amazing. These ones are also really on trend with like the attached belt. They look really good, so I'm gonna try them. Probably one of like my new favorites is the section of like two-piece sets and like suits and uniforms and stuff like that, because they have so much like cool vintage style ones, but now it's really popular to wear like matching two-piece sets. And whether they're formal or casual, I think they're a really great option too. So. Sometimes I don't find what I want. There's ultimately days where you could find such amazing things, and then there's days where your luck is just not cutting it. Today with the two-piece suits, I didn't find my luck, but hopefully we'll find some treasures somewhere else. So you know that straw bags and straw shoes even are all coming back now, but I really like straw hats. I like the texture. I feel like it's a very nice summer vibe. There's like so many different straw hat options because this was popular for a while. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, it's too small. This one's a bit big. I like the design of this one. I just wish that it wasn't so small. Like, whose head would fit this? Guys, I'm always on the hunt for some good fanny packs because that right now is a huge trend, and a lot of people I noticed started wearing it like diagonally, and I really like how it looks. Because they're so popular, I noticed thrift stores run out of them so quickly, so I always have to like search and hopefully find one that's not too dad used, you know? Big sneakers like dad sneaks is popular, but I don't know if I can get on board. It's a little bit much for me. I don't want to carry like 5 pounds on my feet, you know? But if you guys are looking for dad sneaker options, you can definitely check it out too. And I actually found this really perfect Gangnam print skirt, and hopefully it's just gonna fit properly. Polka dots are really in style, pinstripes, and even denim skirts are back, and I love finding like cool ones. Wow, this one's kind of like shorts that turns into a skirt. It's actually pretty cute. Let's try it out. Finally found the missing part of me. Guys, so it's me post-editing. I realized I completely forgot to end this video because I actually didn't film me trying any of this stuff on, because I will have a haul coming up in the future. I want to stop by 1 or 2 more thrift stores before I combine like a huge haul of everything that I got, but I just wanted to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Thrift With Me. It was really casual. I just kind of wanted to show you guys my process when I go thrifting. But if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It honestly helps me out so much. And comment down below if you guys want any more thrifting videos or anything like that. And if you did like this video and you did like me, hi, I'm Haley. It's so nice to meet you. I'd really love it if you subscribe to this channel and join our amazing family. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.